Hello, and welcome to Pixascene. Today I am going to show you how to convert your PowerPoint presentation into a PDF. There are actually 3 ways to convert your presentation into a PDF. You can save as Adobe PDF, or print and choose PDF as your printer. Let's look at the 3 options. Option 1 is to choose File and Save As. Name your document. Choose PDF under Save a Type. Click on Options. You have several options such as how many slides, whether you want slides, handouts, note pages, or outline view. We'll choose handouts since I have 6 slides. Now click on Frame Slides. Click OK. Click Save. Your handouts are perfect. Option 2 is to choose File and Save as Adobe PDF. Name your document. Note that PDF is already selected. Click on Options. As you can see, there are not a lot of options except to choose your slide range and convert speaker notes. Click on Save. The results are that you are only able to save slides as a PDF. Option 3 is to choose Print. From the Printer drop-down, choose Adobe PDF. Once again, you have the option to choose Print Range. You can also choose whether you want full-page slides, notes pages, outline, or handouts. Let's choose 6-slide handouts again. On the right, you can see exactly what is going to print. That's a great feature. Click Print. Name the document. PDF is already selected as the type. Click on Save. Your handouts are perfect. I hope you found this video useful, and good luck with your PDF conversions. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and get the latest updates and videos. Until next time, take care.